Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. For all your new subscribers right here, this is my 87 Buick Grand National, and this is my 2017 ZL1. A lot of people want to know how come I haven't been putting a lot of content on the Grand National, because I've been waiting for parts. 4 months for parts. So I've been slowly introducing the ZL1 to the channel, even though I already had a ZL1 on the channel, but I really didn't film it that much because basically it was completely already done, exhaust, everything, so I didn't have no really content on that car. But for today's video, I'm just giving you an update on my suspension for the Grand National. If you already know, I've been waiting for Hotchkiss lowering springs, not like lowering springs, but lowering shocks for the car. It's been like 4 months and they never did deliver. So I called Summit and I talked to the technician. So we decided just to cancel that order and order some new shocks for the car. And the reason why I got new shocks because this right here is lowered 1.5 inches. It has the BMR spring in the rear, not the front. I only did the rear so far. So I got the BMR springs. So what I did, reordered the some more shocks. I think these are UMI, and they came in within 2 days. You know, compared to Hotchkiss, you know, 4 months, and then this right here is 2 days. I haven't unboxed it yet, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna unbox these shocks and look at it. All right, guys, I'm about ready to unbox this right here. Like I said, these are my new suspension parts. So, all right. These right here are supposed to be good for street and drag race. So, since I already got the UMI rear suspension, I thought these shocks right here will help everything. Yeah, I got for the rear of the Grand National, I have the UMI upper and lower control arms. And if y'all didn't know, there's a sticker right here. I didn't mean to rip it up, but it says made in Pennsylvania, USA. Thank you for supporting the small businesses, and I will support. American flag right there. All right. That's what we gotta do, fellas. We gotta support our small businesses. Right. Gonna go ahead and open up this and see what this is. This might be, see the quality of this right here. All right, the front shocks. Oh, that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Comes with all the hardware. Let's go lay it over here. All finally. Let's see what these are. Uses the rear. Hopefully this right here will fix my issue. Yeah, they look nice. Look like black, I don't know, matte black, coated. Hey, these are nice, nice, really nice. Last one. These shocks are so nice. I should have picked these anyway. Check it out. The quality of that. It's nice. So guys, this right here is my my suspension for the Grand National. Like I said, I already put the rear BMR springs on the back. So I will soon be putting the shocks on there. That should help me with my ride. Right now, those shocks on the GN, they're bottoming out, which they was not designed for a lower car. So these are designed for a 0 to 2 inch drop. And mine's 1.5 inches. And this right here is my front suspension. I still got to put my front springs on, front shocks on, and then of course I got to put my tubular arms on, top ones on it. So that's the suspension work that I forgot to do before this car can go into the drag strip. So hopefully this will be on the track soon. So with that being said, guys, I got a lot of stuff. Hold on, let me get back to you. Like I said, guys, with that being said, also I'm cleaning out my garage. I got a lot of stuff I need to sell, and if I really don't want to ship, but if you're close to Louisville, Kentucky, an hour at least, I'll charge you $40 for gas to deliver these parts. So I'm gonna show you what I got and how much I'm asking for it. All right, first thing I got for sale, I would like to say, guys, I'm serious. You know, an hour within Louisville, I will deliver these parts to you. These are pipes, mufflers that I have not installed. When I got the kit, I bought different mufflers, but I did not know that these, before I opened the box, I didn't know these mufflers that stainless steel. You see how polished that is? That's nice. So with that being said, these are 3-inch, and I'm selling for $70 a piece. And you know, plus $40 to deliver. You know, it's cheaper than shipping. So like I say, these are brand new. I have not even used them. I open it up just to look at it, and that's what it is. $70 plus, you know, $40 to have me deliver within an hour, somewhere around. Also, what I got for sale, this right here is the HR bar, sway bar, $350. I'm asking $350 for it because of all the hardware. Everything's in this box right here. Everything you need. The only reason why I took it off my car, because I thought the car, it being lowered, my car being lowered 1.5 inches, it just rolled just real rough. So I put my stock sway bar back on. So there's nothing wrong with this. I might have put it on wrong or adjusted wrong. I don't know. But I took it off and it's got to go to give me room. $350, $40 to meet you somewhat within an hour of Louisville. Also, I got these tires right here. Rear tires, they're let's see, $295 let's see, I forgot what they was. $295, 35, 18s. And you can see they still got good tread on it. And I'll sell both of these for $100. I think one of them, I don't know which one. This one has a plug in it, but I have no issues, had no issues with it. And these are Toyo proxies. Yeah, these are Toyo proxies. $295, 35, 18s. Still got good wear on it. $50. Shoot, I even sell these 2-pot boots. You never know. Size 13. Never know what goes there. I gotta clear this place out. So that's what I got, guys. 2 mufflers, 3-inch. It came with my pipes, exhaust. I did not use. I bought some different type of mufflers. And I got the HR sway bar. All the parts there. I don't have the instructions. I probably can get them. Somebody sent them to me. I could probably print them off and have it in the box if whoever one buys them. And then, like I said, I got the 2 tires right here for $50 a piece. You know, and I think that's about it. So guys, with that being said, this probably ended for the video. Like I say, for all you new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your support. Then again, keep an eye out for more content on this car. I still got to do suspension work before I take it to the track. And then also, I already made a list of stuff that I'm going to do to the ZL1. I got everything in a cart. I just got to hit, you know, send and buy whatever. But I got to do some more research on what I want on this car. Basically, I want at least 800 to the wheels, and I'm going to do more research on what I need to get to that. So stay tuned for that. So I want to push 800 to the wheels to this car. If you've seen my last videos on my other ZL1, I pretty much put a lot of stuff in there, but I just didn't tune it that good the way I want. Me and the tuner, we just put like a safe tune in it, so it was like 700. So with that being said, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. My goal for this year is to get up to 1,000 or plus subscribers. So we almost there, guys. So with that being said, don't forget about the stuff I have for sale. You gotta be within an hour of Louisville. And I don't mind driving. Never know which one I will pull up in. I could pull up in the GN, or I could have pulled up in that. Just whatever you want me to drive, I'll drive it and deliver your parts. So with that being said, hey, I'm out of here, guys. Hey, thank you for your support. If you like this, please hit the subscribe, hit a like, hit the likes, so I can get more into the YouTube thing, you know what I'm saying, at a rhythm. But with that being said, I'm out, guys. Peace.